Welcome to Lesson 10 of Algebraic Concepts, Simplify and Evaluate Expressions, Part 2. So please go back and watch Part 1 of the series so you don't miss any of the earlier highlights or simpler problems that build to this one. Okay, our objective, you can always read through that, our vocabulary, rules and notes. Please pause and read through these things. All right, so here's our first example. Simplify all the terms. Now, when we say simplify, we mean combine like terms. So we have an A and an A, and there's no number in front of it, so we're going to put a 1. We have a C and a C, and we have to combine the terms that are alike. So we introduced this idea in the last video, but didn't really do it. So this is what we're going to do in this one. So combining the A's, 2A plus 1A becomes 3A. And then let's combine our C's. 3 plus 2 becomes 5C plus 20. Now, this expression is simplified. This is all you can do with it. You cannot add an A to a C because they're different letters. And you cannot combine the numbers with the letters because they're not the same. So, and also, in alphabetical order, they come first. So A will always go to the furthest left. So they go in alphabetical order as well. And that's why the answer is the way it is. So, okay, let's look at our next one. Evaluate. The word evaluate, as stated in the last video, means to substitute in and then solve the problem. So we want to simplify it down to one number. So remember, like in the last video, we said we're going to use parentheses so we keep our signs straight. Plus 3, -2, 7, A minus B. So we can always use double parentheses, minus -2, and that is cubed. Okay, so 7 plus 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42, and that's negative. All under 7 plus 2, because 2 negatives become a positive, so we have 9 cubed, and we have -35 over 9 cubed is 729. And I'm trying to think if there's a common factor. 5 doesn't go in. The 7 go into 729. 7, 1, 29. No, that's as simplified as that fraction is going to be. You can't simplify that fraction any further. So that is our answer. So please, when you substitute, use parentheses so that you keep your signs straight. So those were our 2 examples for this video, and I will see you at the end for the recap.